Aditya Quiz Contest.
Welcome back, guys, after the very short break. Now, before going into the break, I asked you a question. What is the national animal of Scotland? If you guys have any answers, you can.
Repeat question.
Scotlandचा national राष्ट्रीय पशु कोणता आहे?
No
Mind you,
idea.
it is a very interesting answer.
Answer.
That's why I have included it here.
Animal na.
Yeah,
No idea.
no idea.
Giraffe.
No, it is a unicorn.
Unicorn.
So,
ससा ना म्हणजे
नाही, एक शिंग असलेला घोडा.
एक शिंगी गेंडा. अच्छा घोडा घोडा.
असा प्राणी नसतो या जगात.
अच्छा तो
इमॅजिनरी आहे, कल्पनेतलं
फॅन्टसी.
आहे.
ओके ओके.
तरी या देशाचं नॅशनल आहे. So, anyways.
युनिकॉर्न.
Now, let us have round 3 mixed bag. You will need your pieces of paper for this round, as this round involves written answers only. I will ask you a question. You have to write the answer down. You will have precisely 15 seconds to write the answer down. So, shall we begin?
Yeah, by all means.
Good. In Ramayana, which Rakshas was known as Jay, and served as Vishnu's gatekeeper at Vaikuntha?
Repeat.
रामायणात कोणता राक्षस होता ज्याचं नाव जय होतं आणि हा विष्णूच्या द्वारपाल होता वैकुंठ मध्ये?
मग सांगायचंय काय?
ह्या राक्षसाचं नाव You may
जय
start writing
सांगितलं
now.
ना.
अगं ह्याचं दुसरं नाव जय होतं.
ओरिजिनल नाव जय आणि
You may start writing now. And yes, I'm extremely sorry, I don't have much information about this. I just have the answer here.
No problem.
15 seconds up. We have nothing. We have
सुंदर.
Sundar. No, I was looking for Ravan.
हा तो विष्णूचा द्वारपाल होता.
Yes.
नाही रे.
हो. म्हणजे नेहमी नाही, काही काळ केलं असेल त्याने.
पार्ट टाइम जॉब.
जय विजय हे विष्णूचे द्वारपाल आहेत.
आणि मग तो अजय म्हणजे रावण आणि विजय म्हणजे कोण? कंस का?
Okay, second question. In which novel does Jean Valjean, originally it is Jean Valjean, steal a loaf of bread and is imprisoned? कोणत्या कादंबरीमध्ये जीन वॉल्जीन ह्या माणसाने एक ब्रेड चोरला आणि त्याला जेलमध्ये टाकलं होतं? You may start writing now. "15 seconds up. We have nothing. We have
ला मिझरेबल.
La Miserable. It is Les Miserables.
हा तेच ना.
But yes, I can take your answer. You have the absolutely correct answer. Have you read the novel?
साने गुरुजींनी याचं मराठीत दुःखी असं केलेलं होतं. लहान मुलांसाठी गोष्टी त्याच्यात. त्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन ला मिझरेबल्स. जीन वॉल्जीन.
Yeah, it is
खूप
Les.
सुंदर
L-E-S,
गोष्ट आहे.
Les Miserables.
ला
Okay.
मिझरेबल्स.
Third question. In 1931, it was completed and named the All India War Memorial. What is it called today? 1931 मध्ये जेव्हा याला पूर्ण बनवलं होतं तेव्हा याचं नाव ऑल इंडिया वॉर मेमोरियल होतं. आता आपण ह्याला काय नावाने ओळखतो? यू मे स्टार्ट रायटिंग नाव. And 15 seconds up, we have India Gate. We have India Gate. India Gate is the right answer. Both of you get 10 points for that. Okay. Your fourth question. In Kerala, if you are eating karimeen, K-R-I-M-E-E-N, what would you be eating? केरळमध्ये जर तू कारिमीन खात असशील तर तू काय खातीयस? You may start writing your answer now. And 15 seconds are up. We have banana. We have banana chips. No, I was looking for fish.
Oh.
So in Kerala, you would call fish karimeen. No one gets points for that. No problem.
Okay.
Your fourth question is, how many colors of post boxes would you find in India? भारतात किती रंगाचे पोस्ट बॉक्सेस सापडतात? Answer now. 15 seconds are up. We have 3. We have 1. No, both are wrong. There are 4 colors.
Oh.
You will find the red, which is the most common. You will find green, which is for, I think it is for local mail. You will find a yellow one, which is for non-metro, and a blue one, which is for metro cities. But I'm not really sure about the last two, so the viewers at home, you might want to cross-check that, and if I'm wrong, please let me know at the earliest. Now, that concludes the end of mixed bag round 3. Now, let us have round 4, confidence round. This round will have some questions, and you have to hit something around you as a buzzer.
Buzzer round.
So there will be 10 questions. Each question carries 10 points. So you can earn up to 100 points in this round. Remember, there is no negative marking. Feel free to try and answer.
Yes.
So, are you ready?
Yes.
How many? And yes, you have to bang something around you only after I say go. I would not consider it if you do it before that. How many faces are there on a dice? Go.
6.
Yes.
फेसेस कुठे असतात?
Faces.
Surface.
सरफेस. मला चेहरे असं वाटलं.
All cabbages are green. I'm serious or joking? Go.
No. Joking.
Yes. What is the other color? What are some other colors?
Maybe something like red.
Yes, red cabbages are totally real. In fact, if you are at home and you have a red cabbage lying around, don't go out to buy it. You can make a natural indicator which tells if some substance is acidic or basic. You can look up the internet. It is a really great thing. Third question. Who is younger, Saurav Ganguly or Mohammad Kaif? Go.
Mohammad Kaif.
Yes. Fourth question. Which is a reptile, iguana or echidna? Go.
Iguana.
Okay, I can take that. Fifth question. Which mountain range is divided into Canadian, Northern, Middle and Southern? कोणती पर्वत रांग कनेडियन, उत्तरी, मध्य आणि सदर्न दक्षिणी ह्यांच्यामध्ये वाटलेली आहे? गो.
Arctic mountains.
Arctic mountains? No, there aren't many mountains in the Arctic. Would you like to try? Not for points.
कांचनगंगा तर
No, it is a mountain. It is a peak. I'm looking for a range like the Himalayas. Himalayas, Mid-Atlantic range.
What is the answer?
Andes.
It was the Rockies.
Rockies.
Rockies. माहिती आहे.
Rockies, which lie in Northern America. You
Right.
will find them. Yeah, in North America. Sixth question. Along the banks of which river is Agra located? Agra हे शहर कोणत्या नदीच्या काठी आहे? Go.
यमुना.
Yes. Name an Indian Prime Minister other than Indira Gandhi. इंदिरा गांधींच्या व्यतिरिक्त अजून कोणत्या तरी फिमेल भारतीय पंतप्रधानांचं नाव सांगा. Go.
There is none.
Yes, that was what I was looking for. It was a trick question. Indira Gandhi is the only female Prime Minister of India as of yet. If you're watching this in the future,
Female.
a stallion is a male horse. I'm serious or joking? Go.
Serious.
Yes. Miss, you would like to hit that sometime. You can hit it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is taller, Qutub Minar or Char Minar? Go.
Qutub Minar.
Yes. Who became the king of Kishkindha after Bali's death? Go.
सुग्रीव.
Yes. So that concludes round 4, confidence round. Now we will have a break. After the break, we shall look at the round 5, which is what's the word?
लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट टिंग टॉन्ग जरा सी हंसी दुलार जरा सा टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया जरा सी हंसी दुलार जरा सा अमूल जरा सी अनबन प्यार जरा सा यही तो अमूल है पापे स्वाद इंडिया का अमूल अमूल द टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया टिंग टॉन्ग
केलंय.
ललित क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
So guys, welcome back after the break. Now, it is time to look at our last round, which is what's the word? I will ask each participant 2 sets of questions. All sets will have 7 questions. First 6 will be some questions, and you have to note down the first letter of all these 6 answers. If you string them together in the order they appeared in, you will get a 6th letter word. The last question in all the sets is what's the word? Here you have to give me the word to earn the final 5 points. Each question is worth 5 points. 7 questions in a set, 2 sets per participant, so you can earn 14 times 5 or 70 points in this round. So do not take this round lightly. So shall we begin it?
Yeah.
So, are you ready?
Yes.
Which country is landlocked, Mali or South Africa?
Mali.
Yes. Adam Gilchrist has captained Australia in Test. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
No. Which is a dance form, tango or tutu?
Tango.
Yes. The health benefits and distinct yellow color of which spice comes from a substance called curcumin. Wait, I'll repeat it. कोणत्या मसाल्याचा जो गुण
Turmeric.
असतात? Yes. Harpy, golden, bald, and sea are types of which bird?
Eagle.
Yes. Which 4-letter name would you place before Pratap and after Jaspal?
Rana.
Yes. What's the word?
Matter.
Yes. You have scored 6 correct. So 6 times 5, that is 30 points. Adam Gilchrist has captained Australian Tests. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall we begin?
Yes.
What is a marmoset? Monkey or parrot? Marmoset हे काय आहे? माकड आहे की parrot आहे?
Monkey.
Yes. Sneezing is a reflex action of human body. Agree or disagree?
Repeat.
शिंकणं हे एक
मग ही प्रतिक्षिप्त क्रिया आहे.
yes.
म्हणजे काय त्याचा शब्द काय आता?
Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Which actress made a guest appearance in Kal Ho Na Ho? Rani Mukherjee or Madhuri Dixit?
राणी मुखर्जी.
Yes. Where would you find hemocyanin in octopus? Tentacle or blood? Hemocyanin. Hemocyanin हे कसं हे तुला कुठे सापडेल ऑक्टोपस मध्ये? रक्तात की टेंटॅकल मध्ये? टेंटॅकलच्या स्किन मध्ये?
ब्लड.
Yes. Who was Sumitra's son? Bharat or Lakshman?
सुमित्रा सन लक्ष्मण.
Yes. Which is in Paris? Colosseum or Eiffel Tower?
आयफेल टॉवर.
Yes. What is the word?
MARBLE. मार्बल.
Yes. You have a perfect score of 35.
Thank you.
By the way, hemocyanin, if you did not know, is the thing that gives the octopus. Now you all must know that octopus's blood is blue.
Yes.
It is because of hemocyanin. Hemocyanin. Now you must be knowing this that hemoglobin has iron molecules in it.
Okay.
However, hemocyanin has copper molecules in it. म्हणजे जे काम आयन करतं हिमोग्लोबिन मध्ये तेच काम कॉपर हिमोसायनिन मध्ये करतं आणि म्हणून
वाव.
ऑक्टोपसच्या रक्ताचा रंग निळा असतो.
वाव.
So now let us have set 2. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Which moon would you find on the flag of Pakistan? Crescent or full?
Crescent.
Is good. Which brother of Kishore Kumar worked as a lab assistant in Bombay Talkies?
Amit Kumar.
No. In Maharashtra, which town is the site of Pandu and Chamar cave temples? Ajanta or Nasik? महाराष्ट्रामध्ये तुला पांडू आणि चमर गुहा मंदिर कुठे सापडतील? अजंता का नाशिक?
Nashik.
Yes. Sirius, which is the brightest star in night sky, is also called cat star or dog star.
Cat Star.
No. Give me a 6-letter word for a traditional story popularly regarded as historical but not authenticated. You want me to repeat it? असा 6 अक्षरी शब्द सांग ज्याचा अर्थ आहे की एक परंपरागत गोष्ट जी ऐतिहासिक मानली जाते पण प्रूव्ह नाही केलेली आहे, प्रूव्ह नाही झाली आहे. आय एम लुकिंग फॉर द इंग्लिश वर्ड बाय द वे. You are taking a lot of time. Till 1990, Germany was divided into West Germany and which other part?
East Germany.
Yes. What is the word?
Candy.
No, I was looking for
Candle.
candle.
आणि ती काय महाभारतातली होती का कोणती
Okay,
गोष्ट?
so second answer was Ashok Kumar. Sirius is
Okay.
also known as dog star and the 6-letter word is legend.
मग ती स्टोरी काय होती? हा हा, अच्छा अच्छा, त्याचं नाव आलं लक्षात लिजन.
दंतकथा आपण
दंतकथा, राईट राईट राईट.
दंतकथेचं ऍक्च्युअली फॅबल होतं.
येस.
So you get 3 correct. That is a score of 15. Now let us move on to the last set and the last questions of today's quiz.
Yes.
After that we will have a break and the scores shall be announced. Are you ready?
येस.
Which character's name means Ram with an axe? Parshuram or Balram?
अच्छा एक्स इट्स फर्स्ट परशुराम.
Yes. Northern Territory, Queensland, Victoria and New South Wales are regions of which country?
न्यूझीलंड.
No. Who directed Munna Bhai MBBS? Vidhu Vinod Chopra or Rajkumar Hirani?
राजकुमार हिराणी.
Yes. What
दुसऱ्याचे
is
ऑप्शन नाही मला सांगितले दुसऱ्याचे.
नाही आहेत, options
ओके
नाही
ओके.
आहेत. What is known as hing in India? Curcumin or asafoetida?
ॲसाफोटिडा.
Yes. Who is the spiritual head of Tibetan Buddhists? Tibetia Buddhists हा.
हो हो. आला असतो त्यांचा. अरे यार, ऑप्शन्स नाही आहेत
No.
का? माहिती आहे मला.
You are taking a lot of time. Now, last question is, if you are facing north, जर तुझं तोंड उत्तरेकडे आहे तर तुझा उजवा हात कोणत्या दिशेला असेल? You can turn yourself as however you want.
उत्तरेकडे तोंड असेल तर उजवा हात ना. पूर्व.
Yes. I want the English name. I want the English name.
पॅराडाईज.
I want the English name for the last answer.
ओ ईस्ट सॉरी.
Yes. What is the word?
पॅराडाईज.
No. No. It is
Parade.
parade.
परेड.
Okay, so New South Wales, Queensland, Victoria, and Northern Territory are in Australia.
क्वीन्सलँड आणि न्यूझीलंड मध्ये वाकाटिको.
No.
क्वीन्सलँड.
No,
कवना पॅरेचं शूटिंग
No.
झालं होतं तिथे.
no, it is not.
न्यूझीलंडला मी वाचलं होतं.
No,
चित्र पण बघितली होती मी.
no, but
क्वीन्सलँड.
maybe it
Wakatico.
is also in New Zealand, but you could have looked at the other names. as
ओके
well.
ओके ओके.
And the spiritual head of Tibetan Buddhists is Dalai Lama.
दलाई लामा. अरे मला
You have 4 correct, so that is a score of 20 points.
ऑस्ट्रेलियातल्या त्याची मला नावं सांग पुन्हा एकदा.
Northern Territory,
हां
Queensland, Victoria, and New South Wales.
हां, ते क्वीन्सलँड न्यूझीलंड मध्ये पण आहे.
So
Okay.
now, we
बट
will
माय
have-
आन्सर इज करेक्ट. परेड.
No, you said paradise. You said parrot. You said a lot of things.
पार्ले.
Okay. So now let us have a break After the break, we shall. But before we go into the break, here is a question for you to ponder over.
Yes.
The participants and the viewers at home, you can attempt this question. The question is: we all know octopuses have blue blood. Which other animal has blue blood? अजून कोणत्या प्राण्याचा निळा रक्त आहे? So
नाईस क्वेश्चन.
think about this. After the break, we'll be back with the results.
Yes. लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. टिंग टोंग. गले में खिचखिच गले में क्या करूं? विक्स की गोली लो, खिचखिच दूर करो. गले में खिचखिच गले में क्या करूं? विक्स की गोली लो, खिचखिच दूर करो. विक्स की गोली लो, खिचखिच दूर करो. टिंग टोंग. लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
Welcome back, guys, after the very short break. Before we went into the break, I had asked you a very wonderful question. We all know octopuses have blue blood. Which other animal has blue blood? If you have any idea. Yeah.
पोलार बियर.
No, they have not of them.
Some type of crab.
Yes, you are right.
Crab.
Which crab?
This hermit crab.
No, it is a horseshoe crab. Just for your information, horseshoe crab's blood is blue and is extremely expensive. It is more expensive than mercury and it is very expensive, more expensive than insulin actually. In fact, it has probably saved your life. When making vaccines, horseshoe crab's blood is used to make the vaccines. So it is very important and it is blue in color. So what else can I say?
Valuable.
But horseshoe crabs are not at all crabs. They are a distant relative of scorpions, but they are nowhere near crabs. In fact, fossil studies say that in over 200 million years, the horseshoe crab's looks have not changed much. So it is a very interesting friend.
And they use in medicines.
Yeah,
For
vaccines.
Wow.
So now the thing we all are looking forward to.
Yes.
We have a winner here. There is no tie today, luckily. The winner is at 150 points, Sudharma, and at second place with 110 points we have Suhita. If we look back, which we should not really do, we would find that in round 4, which is confidence round, there was a very massive gap laid down, which could not be covered up.
मला नाही आली उत्तरं.
So that concludes our quiz today. Guys, hope you liked it. And don't forget to use soap and wash your hands by the every hour and wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Put up a timer, it never goes bad. And if you don't have soap, use a sanitizer. If you don't have both the things, you need to get something. So now, goodbye.
सो वेलकम अगेन. आमचा आजचा कार्यक्रम तुम्हाला कसा वाटला नक्की कळवा. पत्र लिहून, अंतर्देशीय टपालाने, पोस्टाने, कसं की कळवा, पण नक्की कळवा. लाईक, फॉलो, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू अँड बाय.